cooler is the theme in the next couple of days. At least it is seasonable, so we're not talking about a huge dip in temperatures. It's just relatively cooler compared to this incredibly warm couple of days that we started the work week out with, and even including a couple of record highs earlier in the week. So seasonable today. We've got the wind and some showers returning for your Friday thanks to a warm and cold front they're going to move through. Then once that moves out just in time, we've got a beautiful weekend ahead of us. So some patience, but we will return to that nice fall-like but brighter weather as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Not too bad at the moment, 60, yeah, it's a little chilly out there, but it isn't too bad. We're at 56 in Plattsburgh, 60 in St. Jay, 59 Montpelier, 62 degrees in Middlebury. Of course, those clouds have really slowed that warm up down. You've got plenty of them over the Champlain Valley, a little bit more of that sunshine trying to come out towards the High Peaks region. But most of Vermont is under those mostly cloudy skies. They even had a few little sprinkles of rain over northern New York. That's not out of the question today for the area, but few and far in between, and I would say most of them aren't going to impact your afternoon at all. Just kind of a gloomy at times day, but there will be some hints of sun. Here are your highs. Peru only near 60 today. Arlington around 68 degrees, around that mark for Brandon, as well as Poultney, 66 degrees in South Pomfret. To the north of there, very similar in Morrisville. You're going to top off near 64 in Newport and Lyndonville, 69 in Vergennes. Could be close to that 70 mark here in the next 3 or 4 hours in the parts of the Champlain Valley. South here a little closer to 68 degrees, 65 in Saranac Lake, 66 in Tupper Lake, and Newcomb around 66. So not too bad of an afternoon. Again, you guys, we're starting to get into the end of September, not anything out of the ordinary. Now we've got your nuisance icons for tomorrow, mainly because of some strong wind gusts, but also the chance for some scattered showers. Most of those will fall the first part of the day. You're going to find some scattered showers around the time you're headed out, waking up, headed out to work, things like that, only down to about 60 or so. And then our warm up will happen. Look at this wind, sustained near 25 miles per hour throughout the day. It's going to bring in that warmer air, but it is also going to be followed by a cold front. So that's the sustained wind. We're going to have gusts that are going to be a lot stronger than that. So by the time you're headed out to work, again, not only some of those scattered showers, but wind gusts up near 30 miles per hour already. So we're going to start the day windy, and it's just going to get worse throughout the afternoon. And by evening and dinner time and beyond, you can expect in parts of the Champlain Valley, northern New York, to find some wind gusts that are above 40 miles per hour. So please keep that in mind. You're going to be maybe some branches and things like that coming down, definitely some leaves. You might have a little cleanup to do on Saturday morning, especially with the round of thunderstorms that are possible late in the day on Friday too. So let's talk about that. Mostly cloudy today. There are those scattered showers I mentioned for your commute to work tomorrow morning. Not necessarily widespread and not necessarily all of them very heavy, but watch out for that while you're driving. Midday, even into the evening hours, some breaks in between those showers. You're even going to get some sun. Then you've got that cold front I mentioned arriving. And so a line of heavy rain and also a few thunderstorms not out of the question. Some of them could be on the stronger side, but they are going to be while we're sleeping. So keep in mind, again, they could be on the stronger side, but it's going to be short-lived. And look at that weekend. Once that clears out, anything left over Saturday morning gives way to some sunshine. A big cool down in the 60s, and we'll keep those similar conditions with the sunshine through Monday before rain again Tuesday, Wednesday.